Hey there, it's Alex from RDP Arena. Today, I'm going to show you an easy process to quickly activate sound on your Windows RDP server. First, you'll need to check if the remote audio settings are properly configured in the Remote Desktop Connection app. To do this, open the Remote Desktop Connection app and click on the Show Options button at the bottom. Now, navigate to the Local Resources tab and click on the Settings button in the Remote Audio section. In the Remote Audio Playback section, select the option Play on this computer and click OK to save your changes. Now, click on the Connect button to log into your Windows RDP server. Once you're logged in, the next step is to enable the Windows Audio service so that sound can actually play from the server. To do this, type Services in the Windows search bar and choose the Services app from the search results. The Services window will list a bunch of services. Scroll down until you find the Windows Audio service, and then double-click on it. This will open the Windows Audio Properties window. Locate the Startup Type drop-down menu, and select Automatic. Next, click Apply and then OK. Alright, now let's test to see if the audio is working. Open up a YouTube video on your RDP browser, and hit play. You should be able to hear the sound clearly now.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
And that's it. You have successfully activated sound on your Windows RDP server. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.